Landlords, if you're fixing a habitability problem, it's best that you have yourself or have a trusted agent verify that the work has been completed and completed right. Hi, my name is Rob Wells. I'm the Landlord War on TikTok and YouTube. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. I've been dealing with a lot of cases lately, particularly non-payment of rent. And for all you seasoned landlords and property managers, one of the things that comes up on non-payment rent cases is habitability issues. California, certain things have to be inoperable and good working order for your house to be deemed habitable. If your house is not, it's a defense to an eviction case. Well, I've been dealing with a lot of cases lately where I guess the landlord doesn't verify that the repairs that they paid for or they had someone do were actually done right and completely. War story here. Had a case, basically, landlord contracts to have something cleaned up and whatnot. Everything was supposedly taken care of, and then months later, weeks later, issue notice for rent, get a little notice from the city or whatever saying, hey, X, Y, and Z wasn't fully completed. You need to go fix this. And, landlords coming to me about what to do. Well, got to just tell them you got to fix it. And the moral of the story is, hey, if you send someone out there, you're responsible really to make sure that they do the work and the work is done right. Okay. Things that I like to ask for when work is done is I like to go out and visually inspect it, or have someone that you trust go out there and know what they're looking for to see if a job has been completed. Okay. You want to basically have pictures. You want to have receipts of things being done and visually inspected. So, hey, if there is a problem or if the work is incomplete, you can point that out to your worker or contractor or whoever to have them fix it before you make a final payment. Because usually, hey, when you pay people and, it's been months on end and they didn't do the work, good luck trying to get a hold of them to come do it. Some people will do it right, but sometimes people do, quick and easy work and don't do it right. So you got to just make sure that you're getting what you paid for and you have the documentation. So if you get called out in court, you can show that it was done right. So, folks, if you have any comments, questions, put them down below. Try to answer them to the best of my ability. You got a landlord-tenant issue, feel free to reach out, okay? Till next time, we'll see you then. Thanks.